I've taken the two doors out of the basement in Maxwell House. If you've seen the coffee table, Art Deco coffee table that I've made for Maxwell House, that you will know, but if you don't, I will tell you again. Yeah, I'm making Maxwell House into an Art Deco house because the owner of the house, and as and him and his family went away, and was looking through Art Deco places, and I fell in love with Art Deco. So so we run the company who we are doing the work for in Maxwell House. And as he rang the company and said that he wants the house changed from modern to Art Deco. So hey, and Daddy's got the money, so he's rich. So and we do what he says. Right, there's these doors. I'm going to change these doors, and they're from white to black and golds. And that is, and then I will show you them after it's finished, and then I hope you do like them afterwards. But these two doors are going to be black and gold, and I'm going to do the skirting. And as some people say, like with Art Deco, some people say like you do have, that you don't have skirting. And if you look on pictures of Art Deco, and then as they have got skirting, so who knows? So what I'm going to do now is go away and paint these two doors, you can see, and have black and golds, and do the floor, the skirting, and then come back and show you once. They come back and show you once they've done, and I will fit them in. We're doing the kitchen grey and black. And I painted the door and the grey and black, and that on one side, that's to the kitchen, and this is the skirting, as you can see, and that's going to match the door, the grey and black. So you've got skirting, and then the door, the edge you go around the door, and it's going to be in the grey and black. So that's the kitchen. The dining room is going to be black and golds, as you can see, and as the gold trim was going to go away round. But then two bits over there, that one there and that one there, is this one here, and because when I come to stick them in, and there's that one over there and this one here will not be stuck in, because I don't know whether to have the staircase going straight down or they're returning over in that corner. So yeah, so and then I'm going to put this door in now, and because it's all ready to be stuck in now. So that's that door in, and then as you open it, and then as you can see, and then there you can see the grey and black. And now as you shut it, it'll be in the golden black. So that's that one there. This cloak room, and then is going to be a black and gold as well. And then as you can see, I've done the trim, the skirting, golden and the golden black to match the door. And that is the trim to go around the door, and the gold and black. So that's it's going to be once it's done, and all set up, and all stuck to it. So and all it is at the moment is stick them in, gluing them all in place, and coming back and showing you. Right, okay, I'm starting from the cloak room on the basement. Well, as you see, I've got the skirting in, and the door, it is all gold and black and gold, sorry. And I'm just going to open the door so you can see. There's the handle, and there's the handles are on the door. I'm just going to close it again, sorry. And that is, and now I'm going to move the camera about, so if my hand's a bit shaky, and that is, and that's sorry about it. And I'm just going to move it over and over a touch so you can see a bit more clearly, sorry. So there's the cloakroom. That's all done. All done now, and I'm set for the windows, and I'll be doing the windows soon, and then I will show you that on camera. So now I'm going to move over to the dining room. Okay, the dining room's done now. As you can see, it's black and golds, and I'm just going to zoom it out a little bit, and hopefully, and they can see clearly. So that's all done now. And as you know about the staircase at the back, and that's why the black is the back skirting, and the skirting to your right is and hasn't been glued down. So yeah, that's the dining in the room done now. So and as now onto the kitchen. Right, so here we are at the kitchen. Yeah, so it's all done. As you see, it's grey and black, and then as it does go with the back wall, and I think it goes well with the green walls as well. So the next thing, and I've got to start making the furniture for the kitchen, the dining room, and for the cloakroom. And I'll be doing that on the camera, and then I won't show you all the furniture. And then if there's anything you do like, and that I haven't made on camera, and then if you could let us know, and then we could do a tutorial for you. And if you like this video, if you could push that like button, subscribe, and if you need to get in contact with us, you can on Southside Miniatures at gmail.com, and that is and I hope you're all well, and then that is more subscribers, and as our little our YouTube family is building. Sorry about that, I forgot to mention that that I will be doing also the staircase in the dining room, plus decorating the rooms on the next floors. So and once again, and thank you for choosing our video, and speak to you soon.